Hey there, we're looking at the AVAX weekly chart and welcome to the Avalanche Wyckoff weekly session. Before getting into the details, as usual, these sessions are not financial advice, they are for education research purpose only. However, your views and discussions are very welcome, so feel free to make use of the comment section. Back to the chart. With these orange tags, they are the accumulation, Wyckoff accumulation cycle tags. The reason I've put these over here for Avalanche is simply because of these price drop since January this year, and then the price has fallen back to similar levels as in the previous accumulation cycles. Avalanche is more obvious compared to some other altcoins that I covered earlier. As of this moment, this automatic rally seems to have taken a pause, but it's not, or it's probably too early to determine whether this automatic rally has finished, because if we were in 2-3 weeks back, we probably have to put this tag over here, and I did say it's going to be dynamic because the market is developing unless it's coming down to a level or more significant level. Otherwise, it can still do this zigzag shape like in the past 2 weeks. So it has come down, however it can go up again and again, and eventually it comes down. That's when we are sure the top of the automatic rally. However, we know the nature of this, and then we can determine how aggressive we should be, right? In terms of buying and selling. And as of this moment, for this week, there seems to be some support at this price level at $23.10. It was also the same price level last week. So the candle last week closed at the same price level as in this week. So it looks like people are, you can say consolidation is happening. It also means people are selling above this point, and also people are buying below this point. It's more like an equilibrium position as of now, in current point of time. Obviously, when new market driving or market moving news coming out, it's going to change this equilibrium position. And similar to the previous accumulation cycles, one possibility is there will be more tests coming, like second test, just tests, to make it simple, to test how strong the demand, or is there still any remaining supply that people are willing to give out to the big players before they build up the next distribution cycle. So this may not be the lowest price. It can go as low as what happened last year, or in 2023 basically. So that's the big picture for Avalanche. If we look at the daily chart, let's see whether we've got some more indication. Basically, it's still being suppressed or being traded below this center line at around $20.85. The center line, I have drawn it based on the previous price actions of this long-term playground. So we see a lot of these trading activities that happened within this box. So that's how I've got this line, and since February this year over here, and then currently in May multiple times, it again proves that this line does form a strong resistance for Avalanche. So even though it's trending up since April. Currently, it looks like it's kind of horizontally being suppressed over here. What's going to happen in the next 2-3 weeks, as I mentioned in the Bitcoin session, you can go take a look. That announcement, or with or without that announcement, is going to change the market drastically. So let's keep an eye on what or how things are going to evolve in the next 2-3 weeks. Thanks for joining me for